Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cake batter. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. This makes the process much smoother. Begin by sifting your dry ingredients together in a large bowl. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Sifting helps to aerate the flour and prevent lumps, ensuring a light and fluffy cake. Next, let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a medium-sized bowl, gently whisk together 1 cup of whole milk and 2 large eggs until they are well combined. Then, add 1/2 cup of softened, unsalted butter. Make sure your butter is at room temperature for easy mixing. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This combination will provide the rich, moist base for your delicious cake. Now it's time to bring everything together. Slowly add the wet ingredient mixture to your dry ingredients. Begin mixing on a low speed, just until everything is combined. Overmixing can develop the gluten in the flour, leading to a tough cake, so be gentle. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl, ensuring all ingredients are fully incorporated into a smooth, uniform batter. This step is crucial for a consistent texture. Your easy cake batter is now ready for the oven. Carefully pour the smooth batter into a prepared 9-inch round cake pan. Make sure the pan is greased and floured to prevent sticking. Give the pan a few gentle taps on your counter to help release any trapped air bubbles, which will ensure an even bake. Place it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and get ready for a wonderful homemade cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.